Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix mouse cursor jumping in Windows 11. So how to fix this jumping problem? So firstly you need to search control panel and open it. This control panel. Now view by large icon, set it, select, click on this drop down and change large icon, change in large icon, click on large icon and change this view by. Now click on mouse. Now here you see this pointer option, point options, just click on it. Now in here you see this enhance, uncheck this box. So uncheck this in hand pointer. So uncheck this box and uncheck this. Now click on apply and OK. Now close it. So very easily you can fix this problem. I will tell you again. Search control panel and open it. Now need to click on mouse. You see this mouse option in view by large icon and you see this option mouse. Now click on pointer options, enhance point. So uncheck this box and click on apply and OK. Now close it. So this way you can easily fix mouse cursor jumping in Windows 11. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.